Then I end September in Boston, which I can't wait. But San Diego, you are up this Thursday, Friday, Saturday morning. I will be watching UFC London.
The driver blindly pulled out, resulting in the camera T-boning it. Luckily, no one was seriously hurt. Furthermore, it's actually illegal to park that close to a junction.
Where's that SATYA gets at 92 miles an hour? That was almost bad, dude. I know, I didn't realize how Stated insurance license system expired in 2019, so 92 miles an hour is 22 over the speed limit, okay? Normally I give warnings, I give breaks, but it looks like you've been written a warning already, so I do issue the citation. With that being said, it's going to be payable within 30 days. You run the county? Okay, but I just have to explain your options. I don't want any miscommunication, so I just have to explain them, okay? Any other questions? Yes, sir, you're free to go.
This important Florida man responds to the ticket that he runs the county and knows the process and then decides to floor it as soon as the pullover is over. The "do you know who I am" mentality is quite infuriating. The U-Haul driver hauls a load around and pays the price for it. I guess this answers the ultimate question of why did the chicken cross the road, and now DDS has the answer, because some idiot left the cargo hatch open. The camera wasn't sure why this brake checker was trying to cause a crash and instigate a problem, but won in the end by juking him out of the highway.
Oh, hell no. Stuck, dude. It's stuck!
Internet outage for a brief period a few days ago was because of this accident. The internet lines run through that, and when they were shut off, the internet was cut off for several for a brief moment.
I'm gonna stand back. I'm gonna stand back. No limit Pablo News. He definitely about to hit that bridge. Ooh! I told ya!
Kudos to the camera for recognizing the danger and staying back and out of harm's way. Commercial vehicles and trucks are not allowed in parkways in New York City for this very reason. If I had to guess, that driver most likely fell asleep behind the wheel. After that collision, he drove like nothing happened. The barrier was more effective than the camera's horn in waking him up. The rear-ender claimed that, quote-unquote, the roads were very slippery, resulting in this rear-end collision. Maybe it was so slippery their foot slipped off the brake. CCTV footage caught this driver driving on his merry way and somehow manages to flip his vehicle over. Maybe they misunderstood flipping vehicles for cash from commercials. The camera captured this hit and run of the semi sideswiping the van. It seems as though the semi didn't even notice he hit anyone. The camera stopped to help and provided the footage. I'm not sure what the end goal here was with all the road rage in the middle of the highway impeding traffic. When the driver had the chance to be face to face, he decided to drive off. It seems like looking both ways can be hard for some people some of the time. I will say though, the line of sight is severely compromised by the parked cars, but carelessly proceeding doesn't help, nor does speeding. It looks like a brake check followed by a retaliation gone wrong. Very wrong.
Like literally just followed. Oh
Once Alaska does it, all the other big carriers follow suit. That's the thing we're going to keep an eye on. In the meantime, Alice, thank you so much for your insights as always, and safe travel. Looks like we're done. Right. Thank you. See you right now.
The driver was hogging the passing lanes and then immediately decides that it's a good idea to tailgate an officer. Lo and behold, justice was promptly served.